What's going on, guys? Today we have an excellent day planned. We are going to the Grand Prix at Belle Isle. We have a VIP parking spot and some pit passes, so hopefully that's pretty sick and get some good footage for you guys. I also have some car parts coming on the way, well, a car part. If you follow my Instagram, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, head over at MelloM3 on Instagram. Check it out. Car stuff on there pretty much every single day, and it's a lot easier to post there than it is on YouTube. So go check it out, and let's get our day going. We made it out here to the Grand Prix, going to pick up our tickets. Super sick. All the cars parked in the corral are awesome. It's gonna be a fun day.
Great stunt out there. What kind of car is that? Big smile on his face. Third cheers to get the last year. Second cheers to get the first today.
Dude. Yes, dude. Little tiny person. There's no way.
Let's see.
You have to be 4 feet tall to fit in this thing.
Whoa. Dude.
No freaking way.
That's a tiny little car, man.
Start, neutral, hazards, emergency, electronics, fuel reserve, all your different levels of ABS. Your wipers, wet or dry mode, your starter.
This thing is sick, but you gotta be really short to drive it.
How would you understand?
Walking over the track sounds so good. Yeah, I know. As soon as there's no cars. Wait. Oh my God.
I'm not trying to get stopped for 2 seconds.
I know. The average 180, fastest recorded 208. Hey, the boy Aaron Bama. Dope.
Is going to be Nick Yanetta. Yeah, Nick, a little tail whip up, 3060 XL coming back around. Good job, Nick. Video games, running for DavidGloveStuntTeams.com and Monster Energy. Next up is Scott Wirch. Yeah, joining the back flip screen. Scott Wirch circling it back around for some more action. Little 360 tabletop. Turning things up for you is Rob Armour. Giant Superman tail whip from Rob.
That's good fun, Dad.
Yeah, starting off a little bar spin tire tap. Making a tail whip to 1 footer. Yeah, turning things up a little 180 nose wheelie to 180 street stop. That's going to bring around Nick Yanetta. This guy's got some crazy tech tricks as well as, of course, some air tricks. A lot of these technical maneuvers take a lot longer to learn than some of the big flashy backflips, but these guys make it look easy, like that downside tail whip, the tire tap, catching that one perfect. Bar spin tire tap to nose pick, throwing in combos. A little backflip fly out. Having some fun warming up with some big tricks for you here at the Detroit Grand Prix. Next up, Scott Wirch. This guy's definitely known for his air tricks, but he's got a technical side as well. This guy's also won numerous stops at the CFB contest series. Got quite a few medals hanging up at home. Yeah, a little fast playing up there on that box lip. Finish off a little 360 drop in. And we have another one of our veteran riders, Rob Armour. Rode us for over 6 years. Nose wheelie across the box. Backwards. A bar spin. Foot jam, nose pick, tail whip, picking that bike around 360 degrees. Perfect tail whip on the quarter pipe. It's what's known as a lawnmower. Not sure how I got that name, but it looks cool. Yeah, a little nose pick. Bringing it back around for you. Finish things up, bar spin up, 360 down. I tell you what, these guys are going to keep it going for you. A little bit more of that bicycle street action. Second show of the day. Big flare going upside down. Always a fun trick to see. Bar spin up, tail whip down. It's going to bring around Nick Yanetta, tail whip up over the box backwards. Yeah, a little 540 tire tap. Yeah, a little 180 little nose bump to nose piggy, going upside down with a flare as well. Technique up there on top of the jump. That trick looks so cool. And Scott Wirch, looks like he circled around, getting some speed going where he belongs. That's up in the air. Little 360X up, getting sideways on that one. Throw a little style in there. Yeah, going for that 540 tire tap with those khakis. Yeah, the Wirch roll, that's a trick he actually invented. And last but not least, Rob Armour. Just got back from competing at the Nitro World Games. Perfect flare. Makes it look really easy. Tail whip to nose pick tail whip. Double tail whip. Rob Armour taking it to the next level. Detroit, let's give it up one more time for Rob out here. A backwards bar spin. Ready to let loose for you. Second show of the day. These guys just turning it up. This thing's a little backflip fly out to 360 tire tap.
Adam LZ, where you at, boy?
These guys looking for some loud people having some fun out here this beautiful Saturday afternoon here at the Belle Isle Detroit Grand Prix. Looks like Scott Wirch has a t-shirt as well. Very cool. These guys always love the t-shirt toss. Very cool. Don't worry though, you know what? We're going to give away some more free stuff coming at you just a little bit later on in the show. Right now though, I think we've come to a very
Annual 2, like this is it.
Porsches. Ferrari. Nope, Corvettes. Ferrari's over there. Yes.
Hit the front. I'm gonna get a picture for IG today. Black and white.
I gotta like get in the car.
My car even locked.
Nope.
Can you throw that in the back?
That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. The race was super sick. All these cars are cool. Haven't been here in probably 10 years, so it was really cool to show up and, you know, watch some of the racing. Really hot out today. As always, guys, browse the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.
What's up, guys? We're just chilling at Ty's house. we're just got done with dinner. Happy 57th, Mr. Z.